What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have here with me a HV drone, mini drone. So I'm going to test it out right now. I'm going to do an unboxing of this drone right here, so you guys are going to see what's inside. Okay guys, so this is the drone, mini drone right here. So in the drone we have 2 extra batteries, so it comes with approximately 3 batteries. So here is the controller, and it uses AA batteries in this right here. So here we have some propeller guards, about 4 of them, and we also have some extra propellers for each labels A and B. So I'm just gonna set up the drone right now. So I'm gonna fold it out. Okay, put on the guards on it. Turn it over. Come with 4 guards. Put them on right now. Yeah, so that's it guys. They're on, and they come with 2 cameras on here. There's a bottom camera and there's a top camera right here. You can adjust out, right? So this, they say that this is basically a 4K camera. So I'm gonna test it out to see guys how well this operates. So this is the controller right here, as you can see. But on this controller you have a tray right here where you can put your phone in. Adjust your phone right here. So basically for today, do some flight tests to see how far this can fly, and basically show you guys how this drone operates. Here we have I think over here is the speed. This is 1, 2, 3, the speed right here. This right here is the return button. That means it's gonna return where it take off from. So right here we have this is a GPS signal that's connected to the drone, and this right here is the flip, so you can do a 360 flip, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do the 360 flip with this drone. So right here, this is navigation. So this is a takeoff, and this is basically a control from left side. This right over here is the right side. This is up. This is moving forward, moving backward. This is down, landing, and the power button right here. So guys, this is basically a simple drone to operate. So I'm going to show you guys right now how it operates. You have flip. Yes, you flip there. It again. Carry back to me, carry back to me. Yeah. Up, up. Yeah, carry it up, carry it over. Can't control it. Flip. Bring it closer so we can see it. Get up. Get over, man. 50, yeah. Yeah. Some bad stunt. Carry it to me now. Thank you.
Speed. I'm not at my speed.
Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Bring him down. Return him and see.
Why am I return button again?
Come, carry that tree, carry that tree. Get it over. I've been tapping now. Turn it around now.
You not take no control, you not take no control.
Can't control it.
You not take no control.
Calm down, calm down.
You get out of control, baby.
Calm down. And you can't control it.
You not control it now.
You can't control it, man.
Okay, you not go.
So guys, one more test again to see the flip. Crash. Oh, go on.
Maybe battery.
Alright, up again. So right now guys, I'm gonna replace the battery. Put the next battery in it. Can see it clearly. Alright, so turn them on. Light is blinking. Right, so I'm gonna connect it right now. Rise. Camera on. Flip. My crash na. Oh, camera no. Mayday, 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 mayday. Alright. Altitude test. Altitude test. Altitude test. Up. Sky. Altitude test. Sky. Sky. Up. Way up. Way up. You can't see it.
You can't see that either.
Okay, careful. What all stuff. Get out and feel. Take that son, brother. Don't care about water, you know. Get them glad feel. Get back. Mayday, 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 land it. No, no water, no water.
It has grown by itself.
Mayday, 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 mayday.
Bumbo.
Mayday. Yeah, so yes guys, it's basically pretty good tie to play with. Understand? It's lovely. Do some flight test on it. And right now jumping in the water, you see. Kinda dirty right now. So
I have to go wipe it off.
yeah, we have to wipe it off. And make you guys see what I go and same way.
Step in and go see the height like.
Rise. So I flight it right now. Testing out the CO altitude, going closer. You kept to me, the camera. Stand still it. Yeah. Landing. Land. Land, land, land. On. Land it on there, sir. See what it is. Land it right here. See what it is right now. Land it right here, sir. Repair you. Miss, bro. Up back, up back, up back. Over. See if we can land it over here. Take time. And it's down.
Bad landing.
Alright, I'm up. And I'm gonna go around. Here. Take time, man. Yeah, okay, okay. I got it now. Control.
Bad landing.
And I miss. Yeah, so I say we can take it off our ground. Mayday. Yes guys, so that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. As always, I see you in the next one. Peace out.